Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we're at CVS and we are about to get into this week's deal. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first deal we're going to do is the spend 20, get back $5 in extra care bucks deal on select household products in the store. So there are a lot of different products that are included in this deal. You can get Tide Pods. You can get the Free and Gentle Tide Liquid. You can get some Gain Flings. You can come over here and get some Unstoppables or some Gain Fabric Softener products. What I'm going to get is some Tide products. I'm going to get 3 of these Tide Free and Gentle, and then I'm going to grab 1 Tide Pods. Okay, so here is my complete spend 20, get back 5 Tide deal. So I have 3 of the Tide Liquid at $5.94, and then I have 1 of the Tide Pods at $4.94. That's going to total us up to $22.76. I'm going to use a total of $8 in manufacturer coupons. I have a $2 digital for the Tide Pod Liquid. I have 2 $2 paper coupons as well. You can use printables or the ones from the June P&G, and I have a $2 paper coupon for the Tide Pods. I am also going to stack that with a 3 off of 15 laundry CRT. So after my $11 in coupons are applied, I am going to end up paying $11.76, and then I will get back a $5 extra care buck, making it just $5.76 for all 4 products, or $1.69 each. All right, so the next deal we're going to do is grab us some free Suave body wash. So the Suave body wash is on sale 2 for $4 this week. And last week we had a $2 off of 2 Suave body wash CRT that printed that'll make it 2 for $2. And we also have a $1 off Suave digital coupon. I'm going to use this $1 off of 2 manufacturer coupon from today's Retail Me Not on this. That's going to bring it down to 2 for $1. But we can also redeem back for 50 cents a bottle on Ibotta, which will make these free 99. So I'm going to stack my Suave body wash deal with an unadvertised deal on the Nivea body wash. So select Nivea products are buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Nivea men's body wash, and then I'm also going to come down here and I'm going to pick up 1 of the women's body wash, and I'm going to tell you how it's all going to work. Okay, you guys, so here's my complete body wash deal, and this won't be a deal for everyone, but I just want to let you guys know what I'm doing to maximize my coupons. So I have 1 of the Nivea men's $5.49, 1 of the Nivea women's $7.99, and then 2 for $4 on the Suave body wash. I am going to use an expired coupon on the Nivea body wash. So this is a 3 off of 2 that expired yesterday, but this will still scan at most CVS stores. And then we're going to use a $1 off of 2 on the Suave body wash. So that'll bring that down to $3 for these. And then of course we're going to use our $2 off CRT off of 2 on the Suave body wash as well. And I'm going to use 2 $2 off CRTs that I have for body wash. I have a 2 off of 6 and I have a 2 off of 8. So after all of those coupons are applied, I'm going to end up paying $7.48 for all 4 bottles of body wash, but then I'll get back $5 for the Nivea, making it just $2.48 for 2. But then we're also going to submit back on Ibotta for $1 back, which will make it just $1.48 for all 4 bottles of body wash. Okay, you guys, so now let's get into an amazing moneymaker on the Listerine Ready tabs. So these are $3.99 each, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck. We have $1 off manufacturer coupons on these, and I have a 2 off of 8 Listerine Ready Tab CRT. So after these coupons are applied, you're going to end up paying just $3.98 by getting back a $4 extra care buck, making them absolutely free. But the deal gets better because you can submit back for a $5 Visa card for purchasing 2 of them. So they're going to be free out the door, but then you can submit back for a $5 rebate, making them a $5 moneymaker. Next deal we're going to do is on the Colgate mouth rinse. So these are $3.99 this week, and then everyone should get an instant coupon at the Red Box machine, making them just $1.49. But we also have 75-cent off manufacturer coupons that you can print from the Colgate website, or you can use the 50-cent off insert coupons in today's paper. That's going to make this baby just 74 cents after those coupons are applied. Okay, so here's my complete oral care deal. So I have 4 of the Colgate Max Fresh. These these are $3.49. Buy two, get a $4.50 extra care buck. And then I have one of the Colgate mouth rinse at $3.99. And I just showed you guys the deal on that. So this totals up to about $17.95 worth of oral care. So I'm going to use a 3 off of 15 oral care CRT. I am also going to use a $3 off whitening CRT, and I'm going to use these 4.50 off manufacturer coupons on the toothpaste, and we're going to use those coupons that we just talked about on the mouth rinse. After all of those coupons are applied, we should pay $7.20 for all 5 items, and then I should get back $9, making these absolutely free plus a $1.80 moneymaker. Okay, so now we're going to do an awesome cereal deal. Y'all, we're about to get some cereal for the low. So the General Mills cereal is $1.99 this week, and we have $1 off of 1 printable coupons. I will have the link to print these in the Google document down below, and we have $1 off of 2 printable coupons as well. So we're going to grab 4 boxes. I'm going to get 2 of the Honey Nut Cheerios, and I'm going to get 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's going to total me up to $7.96. I'm going to use 2 of these $1 off 1 coupons for the Cheerios, and then a $1 off 2 for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and a 2 off of 8 breakfast CRT. I'm going to end up paying just $2.96, and then I am going to get back $1 from Saving Star, making it just $1.96 for 4 boxes of cereal, or 50 cents per box. What we're going to do is on the CoverGirl. So the CoverGirl is buy 2, get back a $7 extra care buck this week. I'm going to grab 2 of these eyebrow pencils for $5.99. We're going to use our $3 off manufacturer coupons. We're going to pay $5.98 out of pocket, but then get back $7, making these free plus a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so now we're going to try this deal on the Neutrogena. One of you guys told me about this deal in the comments last week, so thank you for that. I'm going to try it out today. So the Neutrogena Cosmetics are buy 2, get back a $6 extra care buck. We're going to grab 2 of the makeup remover wipes. You want to get the ones that are in the makeup section only. So there are also some wipes that are 25 count in the facial care section. That's not what you want to grab for this deal. You want to get these 21 count makeup remover wipes in the makeup section. So I'm going to use the $4 off CRT that we got last week, and I'm going to use this $4 off face products manufacturer coupon that we got from coupons.com. I should end up paying just $2.58 out of pocket, and I will get back a $6 extra care buck, making these babies not only free, but a super $3+ moneymaker. Okay, you guys, so now let's talk about some razor deals that I think I'm going to pass on today because I just really don't need any more razors, but these are not bad deals at all. So first, let's talk about the Skintimate. So the Skintimate is 2 for $12, $6 a piece, and then when you spend $15, you're going to get back $5. We have a $7 off of 2 digital coupon, and I've gotten word that that coupon is only attaching to the vanilla, so scan with your app and make sure that your coupon will attach to the razors that you are picking up. So you can pick up 3 of them. That's going to total up to $18. You can use your 7 off of 2 digital, your 3 off of 1 digital, and you want to add in a 4 off of 2 CRT. That's going to leave you paying just $4, and you'll get back $5, making them a $1 moneymaker. The next razor deal is on the Venus razors. So we got a nice $4 off manufacturer coupon on the Venus and the Gillette today, and they're on sale for $7.99. So you can use that $4 manufacturer coupon, end up paying $3.99, and then you'll get back a $3 extra care buck, making them just 99 cents each. This store has just a few paper products, and I think I'm going to put together a deal using these. They have the Scott paper products that are $7.99, and then when you buy 2, you get back a $2 extra care buck. Or we can do these right here. These are the 12-pack of Scott paper towels. These are $10.49 and included in the spend 20 get 5 deal. Okay, y'all, so I decided to remix my Tide deal so that I could get these paper towels because I want this huge mega roll of paper towels. So this deal is not going to be the cheapest way to do this spend 20 get 5 deal. If you want the cheapest way to do it, then definitely pay attention to the first scenario that I showed you that was just all laundry detergent. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these products instead. I have 2 of the Tide liquid, 1 Tide pods, and then this big 12 rolls of Scott paper towels. towel. That's going to total me up $27.31. So I'm way over the 20. But I'm going to use the $2 off paper coupons on the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid as well. And I'm still going to use that 3 off of 15 laundry CRT. After my coupons are applied, I'm going to end up paying $18.31. And then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making it $13.31 for all 4 of these items. And again, this is not the most economical way to do this, but I do have some ECBs and some money makers from this week's deals to burn, so it will all work out in the end. Just trust me. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are picking up today at CVS. We got quite a big haul on our hand. This is definitely not inclusive of all of the deals that are available, so check below in the Google document for full written breakdowns for all of today's deals. But this is everything that I want to pick up, so hopefully everything goes well. So let me show you my big stack of coupons here. So this is everything that we are going to use today. I got a lot of manufacturer coupons. We got some digitals, and I have about $50 in extra care bucks, y'all. I have a lot of ECBs, and the reason being is because we earned $44 last week with all of those money makers, and I got back $6 in a beauty club buck that you guys saw. So yeah, we're balling at CVS, and I actually don't like to keep that much as far as extra care bucks. $40 is about my sweet spot, so this should be a pretty decent haul if everything works out well. So let's go up to the front and check out. All right, you guys, so that was a beautiful transaction. We got everything here. Let me go over my receipt. I'm trying not to step on it because it's so long, so we can see how everything worked out. So there is the swab, there is the Tide Liquid, there's the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, there is the Honey Nut Cheerios, there is all of our Colgate, there is the Tide Pods, there is the Colgate Max Fresh, there is the Scott paper towels, the 12 mega rolls, there is our CoverGirl, there is the Listerine Ready Tab, there is our Nivea, there is our Neutrogena, and that $4 coupon worked perfectly on those. That was awesome. And then there is our Nivea Women's Body Wash. These are all of our manufacturer coupons. That was super sweet. All of those scanned perfectly. And then the cereal deal turned out to be super good. It was actually 24 cents a box because the dollar off of Chew digital coupon did apply as well. The swab turned out to be free even more. It was actually a $1 money maker because the $1 digital coupon applied to that as well. And then here are all of our CRTs. Those all worked pretty well. I'm just looking to see if anything did not apply. For the most part, everything came off. I think I might be missing one body wash CRT, maybe like a 2 off of 6 or a 2 off of 8. Won't sweat that. And then here are all of our extra care bucks. So our subtotal came out to $0. Y'all, I had $5.75 in taxes, but $0 subtotal on those 23 items. We had one extra care bucks that is not used, and I'll tell you what we ended up doing with that. I have a $5 ECB for that down there, but we had 100% savings, and we saved $139 today. And now let me show you what we got back. So here we got back the $5 for the spend 20 household deal. We got back the $9 for the Colgate deal. We got back the $6 for the Neutrogena. We got back the $7 for the CoverGirl. We got back the $4 for the Listerine, and we got back the $5 for the Nivea. So that is a total of $36 back to us. But as you saw, one of my ECBs that I handed her was not used, and I actually think that was a $1 ECB that was not used, but we couldn't figure out which one of those was not used there. So what she ended up doing is just force printing a $5 extra care buck for me. So we have $41 in extra care bucks that we are leaving out with today, and we're going to get back $1 from Saving Star for the cereal and another $1 from Ebates for the Suave body wash. Okay, you guys, so let's do our final summary of everything that we spent and everything that we got back. So I think I spent about $48 to $49 in extra care bucks. I'll have to calculate it and put it up on the screen. And I'm leaving here today with $41 in extra care bucks. But I will also get back a $3 beauty buck for today's purchase from the CoverGirl and the Neutrogena. I was only 13 cents short when I came in the store today, so I'll definitely have at least $3 coming back for next week. So that will put me at $44 back. And we're going to get back another $2, $1 from Saving Star and $1 from Ebates. So y'all, that should put us at around $46, making this haul a maximum of $3 to $4 out of pocket. And just that quick, I don't know how I forgot that we are also getting back $5 in cash from Listerine. Y'all, this thing was absolutely free. This whole haul was free 99. Y'all, that includes a Big Daddy Scott paper towels and everything else that we got. I think it was a good day at CVS. So please remember to thumbs up the video if it was helpful for you. Check below for written breakdowns of all of today's deals. I